Hello guys, happy Independence Day. Today I'll be talking about a very important topic. You can say more than a topic, it's a difference between your trading styles. A few days back, Rahul posted the types of trading styles, and which are four types: scalping, intraday, swing trading, and positional trading. Today I'll be talking about the two most important trading styles which ultimately become your trading personality, which many traders follow, are intraday style, or you can say swing trading style. So I'll be talking about the major difference between the two trading styles, and both has its own advantages as well as disadvantages. So you need to you need to know which style suits your personality, so that you can take that particular strategy or that particular trading style as your strategy, and you can formulate your trading plan according to that. Why I'm saying that? Because it's very important, first of all, to understand what is your personality. Are you a aggressive person, or you are very calm and patient, and you don't mind things happening in a slow and steady way? Or there are personality who need who are very good at taking quick decisions, people who want quick money, quick profits, but again in a regularized way or in a consistent manner. So first you need to understand, as your individual personality, what you are looking out from the market, and also what you can deliver. So it's not that you choose a swing trading strategy, but you have a personality which is very aggressive. You're not very patient. You can't hold on for a long period of time. You get very panic. Then it's not suiting your personality. You want to do swing trading, but your personality is not allowing you to do so. So it's very important that your trading personality is in sync with your trading style, or the strategy which you formulate should boil down to a point that you figure out a trading style keeping in mind your lifestyle, keeping in mind your trading personality as well. Why I said lifestyle? Like, for example, many people want to do intraday trading because it's very quick. You can make quick profits, but at the same time you can lose money also very quickly. So that's the other side of it. But what I was trying to say, that when we talk about lifestyle, many people want to do intraday trading, but they don't have time. They are working. So intraday trading is something which you need to spend more amount of time in front of the terminal, because you need to sit in front of the terminal and look for small opportunities, make money, and then come out. With swing trading, or you can say a higher time frame trading, it's more long term. It's not very long term. You can say swing trading is not like positional trading, where you try to capture the entire trend. You try to capture the rallies and declines, like that. So swing trading is not for the entire trend, it's towards the trend, where you try to capture the rallies and declines. But with swing trading, it's possible to do it along with your work as well, because you don't need to sit every time in front of the terminal. You can just do your analysis over the weekend, and just on the weekdays you can just track it on your phone. You just, let's say if you're trading on a 4-hourly time frame, then you just have to see how your candle is closing in 4 hours, which means in forex market 4-hourly closing happens at 2:30, 6:30, 10:30. So you just have to check your terminal at that point of time. But when it comes to intraday trading, you need to take out proper 2 to 3 hours, and you need to sit and do that trading in front of the terminal. You can't leave the terminal away when you're doing some short-term or intraday or scalping type of trading. So that's a difference in the lifestyle also. So what I'm trying to explain is, everything should be in sync: your personality, your lifestyle, and your trading style, or you can say your trading system as well. So I'll just explain you the difference. Like, for example, if you are a very patient person, and you don't mind quantity of trades, but you believe in more of risk to reward, you can say, basically, or more of quality trades, where if you are losing $100, you look to make $500, $800, $1,000. So that type of personality if you have, then swing trading is something which will suit you better. right? Then in that case you can just take few trades, 2 to 3 trades in a week, and you can be happy about it, and those 2 to 3 trades can give you a lot amount of profits. But if you also have a personality, let's say that you can't hold on, you are not very patient, but you're very good in taking quick decisions in the market, then in that case you can go for intraday trading, where you are very quick. Look, intraday trading requires you to be very fast. You need to take instant decisions. You can't be a person who is just thinking what to do, what not to do. So you need to have that capability where you go towards the thing in a fast manner, but again in a very planned way. So it requires a lot of skill that way as well. In swing trading, you require a lot of patience. At times what happens, you see you are holding on to your trade, your profits you are seeing, and all of a sudden market falls down or start doing a retracement. Then you see your profits are reducing as well. So you should be very calm and composed when all these things are happening in front of your terminal. So all the things has its own pros and cons, is what we can say. So we should also know whatever strategy we deal with, we should be very good with our positives, but we should also know how to deal with our negatives, how to deal with our cons, right? So if I see this chart, this is a gold chart, and if I'm a swing trader, then I would enter generally on a time frame like 4 hourly, daily, weekly. These are my time frames. So maybe you can come down to hourly also, but from 4 hourly onwards it's better. So if I have to trade, then I can trade for the entire rally. This is what I'll do for swing trading. I would look for, let's say if I buy here, my stop loss will be here, my target will be here. So my risk to reward in swing trading, my number of trades are less, but my risk to reward is high. That's where I look to make money if I'm a swing trader. Now talking about the intraday trader, then we do it in a smaller time frame. Let's say best time frame I feel for intraday should be 15 minutes. You can go up to 30 minutes. You can come down to 5 minutes also. 1 minute I don't prefer much. So let's say for example in intraday trading, what we do is, let's say we have figured out this as our support area. Okay. So intraday traders trades on both sides for small movement. Swing traders generally prefer trading on the trend, with the trend, you can say. But intraday, if you sell here, you come out quickly here. Then again, if you buy, you come out here. So you do a lot of entries are there for just 1:2 or 1:1 also. You can do intraday trading of 1:1 if your accuracy is high. If you have a confusion with what I'm talking about, risk to reward, accuracy and all these topics, you can go through our educational videos. We have mentioned all of that in detail. So if you have any confusion, you can go through there. But when it comes to intraday trading, your time frame is always smaller. You go with the trend and you go against the trend. It does not matter. Trend is not of a priority when it comes to intraday trading. You just take multiple trades. You try to make more number of trades, and you have a strategy that more the number of trades, more will be your profits if your accuracy is high. That's why I said accuracy plays a major role. Accuracy is nothing how many trades are going in your profits, and that will only happen when your decisions are right. If you remember, the first thing I said, you need to be very quick and witty with your decisions when it comes to intraday trading. So everything boils down to that, right? But when it comes to swing trading, you need to be patient. You will get very good entries. You will see stable market. Like for example, let's say if I'm doing intraday trading, I can clearly see this as a support. Resistance turned into support, right? So as in when I see this candle, I would want to buy here, right? If I buy here, I will hold on for the trend. I would not prefer much of this movement. I will prefer much of the movement where there are big rallies and declines, because that is where I would make maximum profits. So both have a very different way of looking at the market, and both are very powerful strategies. It all depends on how is your personality suiting with your type of trading style, or you can say type of scalping or intraday, whichever is suiting your personality, you need to choose that. So yeah, my video was all about this, to explain the difference between the two. It's not that someone is doing swing trading, that swing trading is the best, that's why we should also follow it. You should never copy anyone's strategy, because everyone's personality is very individualistic. We have our own way of looking at things. So you need to first figure out what is good for you. If you are very conservative or moderate also, not just conservative, if you're a moderate person, then you can go for swing trading. If you like, if you believe a lot in risk to reward, then you should go for swing trading. If you think you are very good in accuracy, you have a good experience, you have a good strategy, then you should go for intraday trading. You know you can take quick decisions, you are happy with booking small profits but on a regular interval. You are not very good at holding on to your profits, then in those cases you go for intraday trading. So you need to identify which is better for you. It's not that whatever, if you copy someone's some trader's strategy and that person is making money through swing trading, you will also make it. The same strategy, believe me, if I also share my strategy with you, the way I can make profits in that will be very different than how you make profits or how you deal with it, because it's all about psychology, and everyone's psychology depends on their personality. As simple as that. Thank you guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you to figure out your trading system. Any queries, any doubts, or any topics you want us to cover, please keep posting it on the comment box. We'll definitely try to add them in our coming videos. Thank you guys. Have a good trading week.